Ready to score unbelievable deals on Temu without breaking the bank? First, open your Temu app and tap on the U tab located at the bottom of your screen. This is your personal hub within Temu. Next, look for the coupon section. Tap here to reveal any available coupons you can instantly redeem for credit. These coupons are often gifted upon signing up or given out with purchases. Keep a close eye on Temu's homepage and notification center for special promotions and flash sales. Participating in these events can often earn you additional credits towards your next purchase. Many promotions will include an earn credits section. Completing simple tasks like sharing links and playing mini games will get you closer to earning a free reward. Don't forget to leverage the power of referrals. Find your unique referral code in the Refer and Earn section. Share this code with your friends and family. When they sign up and make a purchase using your code, you'll both receive bonus credits. It's a win-win. Finally, at checkout, make sure your Temu credits are automatically applied to your purchase. You'll see the discounted total before you finalize your order. By redeeming coupons, participating in promotions, and using referral bonuses, you can maximize your Temu savings and unlock incredible deals. Happy shopping!